my god, I hit it.
What in the world? Rocco! That's creepy.
Yeah, that's not the point. Yeah, I want to see it from the outside.
That's creepy.
Oh my god, that is so scary. Welcome back to today's video! So, how are you doing? Are you doing good? Yes, I'm doing really good. How are you doing?
I'm creeped out.
How are you doing? Fine. How are you doing? I just got a new tattoo on my neck. It's a butterfly. And how are you doing in the back there? Good. Good. How are you doing? Good. Alright, you can stop. How are you doing? Not fine. My hair's done. Bad, 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 bad. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 8. There's 9 people in this car.
There's 9 heads in this car.
There's 9 heads in this car. 3 people and 9 heads.
Hey, Rocco, oh, your passengers are falling over.
Why we wear seatbelts, right?
They're not wearing seatbelts.
Alright, so before you guys watch this video, make sure you guys please subscribe and turn on those notifications so you can be the first one to watch our video. Today we're gonna be shooting you. Wait, we have the paintball gun, right?
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna be shooting you, and you 3. And maybe you.
What?
With my paintball gun. If you guys don't know I have a paintball gun, well, now you know. So we are going to Skyline, and we're gonna set these mannequin heads up, and then we're gonna shoot them. Alright, see you guys at Skyline. Oh, and I brought my mountain bike, so, you know, we're gonna be hitting some jumps. Alright, seriously though, see you guys at Skyline. Alright.
Ugh.
Wait, ready?
Facing, so it's facing straight. Like what I tell you now, lift it,
Yeah, like
face
that.
it straight. And then when I say, I'll be like, okay. And then turn it slowly.
Trying to scare people with mannequins.
So
He's just laughing. Oh my god, his voice waving right there.
waving at it. All right, keep
Just keep it. His reaction.
Was it good?
Yeah, and he was like, bro. Oh my god, they're coming up, I think. Where are they? Oh my god. You're having too much fun in there.
Hey, you're right.
She's laughing. What, you don't see people with a bag of heads every day?
Right?
It's normal.
We just selling them. You know, like,
It's a normal thing.
Wow, a whole bag of heads.
Hey, do you guys need a head?
you know, like,
Okay.
Not as easy as you thought? Yeah, it's not easy. It's not riding around in the neighborhood.
you got a real memory.
I think this is like take 5. And he gets pretty far. He gets further and further each time. You gotta remember about the good part. When you go uphill, there's a downhill. Did you hear her? Sorry, dropping heads around here. Sorry. Alright, you can go. Be careful. Oh. Oh. You good?
Alright, enough fun and games. Here's the real deal. So, I'm going. I'll be right here. I'm gonna shoot that one right there.
Okay.
Okay, that's really camouflaged. That's gonna be hard. Alright, I'm gonna walk down. Then I'm gonna be right here and I'm gonna shoot that one right there. And then I'm gonna walk right here. And I'm gonna shoot that one right there. That one right there while I'm walking. It's kind of of a walk.
There was one right there earlier. I think it fell. Oh yeah, the head fell back there.
Imagine that mannequin head was right there.
And then what? And then you shoot from there?
And then the final one. Alright, so let's get it. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna shoot all the head targets and have a little obstacle course fun. So let's do it. Really fun. So this one I hit right there
in the neck.
That is probably the worst place to get hit.
Hey, keep your gun on safety for a second. I ain't trying to get hit there.
Yeah, that's on safety.
Okay. You messed up her hair.
So
look at her hair's all messed up.
This one was kind of hard to hit.
Ooh.
Got her right in the face. Right there in between her lip and her nose. Right on her right, like, part of her mouth.
How's she supposed to eat now?
Well, she's never gonna eat. She got some balls.
I didn't know you were doing their makeup. Jeez.
It's called Splatter.
Wow, that is horrible.
Just me? Okay. Alright, done with the obstacle course now. Brian's gonna throw the head up and I'm gonna just try to shoot it. Pretty simple, huh? Alright. Pull!
Miss.
Alright, pull!
Oh.
Pull! I swear to God I hit it.
He did, he hit one.
I heard it.
Before.
Pull!
Oh God. Up! I heard that one too.
That one
You can hear them.
It, Rebecca?
Huh?
Did you follow it?
Yeah.
Pull!
Oh!
Is that good enough?
Where's Rocco? There's he. Oh! So I guess that's a no on the ride. Thanks. Can they stay in the back this time on the ride home?
Yeah, going all over.
I don't want to sit next to them again.
Let's say I didn't like it.
You guys stay in the back. We'll go in the front. Come on. Now that's just wrong. It's so messed up. That's not even funny, Hunter. That's so messed up. You're going back with your friends. That's where you belong.